Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, everyone. It's August 20, 2023. I'm welcoming all of you to my presentation, and I'm thanking our honorable teacher, Mr. Mustafa Qayyum Sharafat sir, for giving me the opportunity to represent my presentation in front of all of you. First of all, I'm going to introduce myself. This is Redoantul Jannat from Department of Chemistry of Begum Rokeya University, Rangpur. My student ID is 121130001. I am from Ulipur, Kurigram. I have achieved my secondary school certificate from NSM Residential School, Ulipur in 2019 with GPA 5. And I have achieved my HSC from Ulipur Maharani Swarnamohi School and College in 2021 with GPA 5. But the greatest achievement so far my life is this Department of Chemistry of Begum Rokeya University, Rangpur. I'm the first of two children of my parents, Mr. Anisur Rahman and Mrs. Shima Akhtar Shami. My father is a government employee and my mother is a housewife. By born, I am a Bangladeshi Muslim girl. My hobbies are gardening, drawing, and traveling. I am good at cycling and cooking. My blood group is B positive, and I am dreamed to be a teacher. Now let's fly to the Now let's fly to our selected topic. Today our selected topic is chemistry in our daily life. To know about the importance of chemistry in our daily life, first of all we need to know about chemistry. Chemistry is the science chemistry is the science that deals with the properties, compositions, and the structures of different types of elements and compounds. The reactions they undergo, and the energy they emits or absorb during this process. Chemistry is the science that related to atoms, their reactions, their changes according to their elements and structure. The abbreviation of chemistry can be defined as C for community, H for health, E for environment, M for medicine, I for industry, S for sciences, T for teaching, R for researches, and Y for you, that means all of us. We can branch chemistry in different branches, like physical chemistry, inorganic chemistry, organic chemistry, computerization of chemistry, stoichiometric chemistry, and analytical chemistry. In our daily life, we use chemistry in every sphere, like we use papers, crackers, clothes, our plastic cooking accessories, batteries, food, paper, pills, soaps, etc. And these all are related to chemistry. Now let's know how chemistry is dealing our life from morning to night. At first, we are going to know about how waking up is related to chemistry. We know that our sleep and waking totally depend on chemistry, because usually we wake up with the extreme sound of alarm clock. Here we use zinc or magnesium batteries in alarm clocks. And the hormones that controlled our sleeping. Yeah, sorry. Our sleeping cycle, our sleeping and waking cycle controlled by hormones, and mainly the hormones are melatonin, and hormones are made of different types of proteins, fat, and carbohydrates, and those are the topics of chemistry and made of different types of chemical compounds. Then we use water after waking up. Firstly, we make oju to make prayer. Here we use water. The water are made of hydrogen and oxygen compounds with a ratio of 2 moles of hydrogen and 1 moles of oxygen. This is the this is the chemistry of water. And then we use toothpaste, brush, toiletries, clothes, in our regular life. Here Here the toothpaste are made of different types of fluoride salt, like sodium fluoride, potassium fluoride, and this prevents our animals from being destroyed. And here the toothbrushes or the mesewaks are made of different types of chemical compounds, like our toothbrushes are made of nylon, and the mesewaks are from cellulose. Here then toiletries of our daily life, like soap, shampoos, sanitizer, hand washes, etc., are made of different types of chemical compounds, like the soap and the detergents are made of sodium lauryl sulfate. And all the creams and face washes are contains some types of glycerin compounds. Those are the chemical compounds. Then we wear clothes after taking shower or etc. We use clothes. Our clothes are made of different types of fiber, like polyester, nylon, linen, etc. And these are made of different types of chemical compounds, like carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, etc. Then we take meal in all over our day. It starts with a heavy breakfast. Usually we eat vegetables, eggs, bananas in our breakfast, and these are made of carbohydrates, protein, and so on. These are chemical compounds. We eat rice, meat, fish, uh, vegetables, and anything we want to eat all day long. Here, rice, potato, and vegetables are made of carbohydrates. They contains a huge amount of minerals, and these are carbohydrates are made of carbon and hydrogen. Minerals are different types of different types of metallic ion, like sodium, calcium, potassium, magnesium, etc. These all are chemical compounds. Then we normally use educational equipments, like our papers, pens, boxes, etc. The papers are made of cellulose, pens are made of nylon, plastic, etc. These all are chemical compounds. Now we are going to see the chemical in other spheres of life. Uh, in other spheres of life, we can start it with phytochemistry. The chemistry of trees are known as phytochemistry. The food making process of trees are known as photosynthesis. Is basically a chemical reaction. Here, carbon dioxide and water in presence of ultraviolet ray provides carbohydrate to the environment, and provides oxygen also. Here 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 it's the most important reaction ever for the human being and all the animals of the universe. Then we can discuss about chemistry in agriculture. We use different types of fertilizers and urea, potassium permanganate, etc. in to get more products. And we also trying to find out the genomes of every crops and different types of um, uh, different types of fruits and vegetables. This is the theme of chemistry. Then we can discuss about vehicles. We use normally we use transports from moving one place to another. Here the bodies of vehicles are made of different types of metal, and these metals are chemical compounds. And also the petrol, diesel, octane, etc., kerosene in jet engines are also chemical compounds. In industrial chemistry, you can see that different types of chemical compounds are made of industry, are made from industry. And also we use use hydrogen, helium, and acetone, carbon tetrachloride as different types of different types of industrial evolutions. And we are making atom bombs, hydrogen bombs by using chemical compounds. This also are industrial chemistry. In medicines, we use paracetamol, acetone, naphthol, etc. Um, Also picric acid as Barnol cream, and so on. These are how chemistry related to medicine. And in environment, we can see that phytochemistry is a basic chemistry. And also we got energy from sun. And in the sun, we can see that hydrogen and helium reacts each other and make temperature and provides energies. Thus we get energy in in the earth. And also also the process of making thunders and rains is also a chemical process. uh, that chemistry is spread out all over our life. Then we are going to discuss about abuses of chemistry. We can see that different types of harmful drugs are being different types of harmful drugs are being used in medicines that causes different types of harmful diseases to us. And also using of harmful chemicals in agriculture is cause the pollution of heavy metals in our food. And also the burning of also extra burning of fossil fuels. Extra burning of fossil fuels causes the extra emission of carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide in the environment and causes the global warming. Uh, for these types of abusing of chemistry, we are facing water pollution, air pollution, soil pollution, thermal pollution, etc. And so that we are facing different types of diseases and global warming diseases like cancer for UV pollution, and different types of kidney disease, heart diseases for heavy metal pollutions. And different types of many short tempered diseases like unseasonal fevers and etc. for different types of food pollutions, etc. But we can see that thus chemistry is a special branch of science that we can use it in both side we in both ways, positive or negative. But if we want to get more benefits from chemistry, we must use it in a positive way. For making the best use of chemistry, we must follow some rules. like reducing chemical fertilizers, using degradable chemicals, using natural polymers, and so on. So we should focus on the researches to make different types of natural polymers and degradable chemical compounds, and thus we can use chemistry in a positive way, and we will find that chemistry will progress day by day after in the presence of huge positive brains. Mm, and that's all. Do you have any questions?